Hey guys, I am Torchboy and you should know that or you are lost today. I am watching Game of Thrones Season 5 Episode 4. I'm very excited for this episode. I want more Daenerys. We didn't have much Daenerys in the last episode, and obviously Jorah kidnapped Tyrion. So, hopefully when this fucking thing starts to work now. Stop breaking. It's a threat. I will turn your processor off. Right. Let us go into the mythical world of Game of Thrones.
Is that Estamont?
Tarth, Sir Jamie. The Sapphire Isle.
Oh my god, so many Brienne
Why are we
feels.
on a merchant ship?
Tarth.
Why no Lannister sails?
So many.
This ship's sailing
Dream?
to Old Town. We'll get off earlier. Not
Dreamy?
Row ourselves to the
Doesn't
dawn
work.
ashore in the night.
You have
So
a
many
to do.
feels.
No?
I have. The Dornish are crazy. They want.
Get your hands off
Sir Loras of House Tyrell, you have broken the laws of gods and men. Who do you think you are? Justice.
Oh.
Why is my brother in a cell?
I don't know. I didn't order it. We both know who did.
You told me she was returning to Casterly Rock.
You say my mother's behind this?
She's jealous you're not hers anymore. Arresting my brother is her revenge.
Aren't you and mother getting along?
I feel so sorry for him. He's so innocent in all of this.
Oh, my sweet...
Aww.
But I still love her.
You know nothing, Jon Snow.
Holy shit. You're a bad fortune cookie lady. How could anyone be ashamed of you?
When you were an infant, the Dornish trader landed on Dragonstone. His goods were junk except for one wooden doll. He'd even sewn a dress on it in the colors of our house. No doubt he'd heard of your birth and assumed new fathers were easy targets. I still remember how you smiled when I put that doll in your cradle. How you pressed it to your cheek. By the time we burnt the doll, it was too late. I was told you would die, or worse, the grayscale would go slow. Let you grow just enough to know the world before taking it away from you.
Aww.
Everyone advised me to send you to the ruins of Valyria to live out your short life with the stone men before the sickness spread through the castle. I told them all to go to hell. I called in every maester on this side of the world, every healer, every apothecary. They stopped the disease and saved your life. Because you did not belong across the world with the bloody stone men. You were the Princess Shireen of House Baratheon. And you are my daughter.
Aww.
Please come for Marcella. If he gets to her before we do, we lose our only chance for revenge. You must choose. Doran's way and peace, or my way and war.
I'm with you, always.
Nim? Obara?
When I was a child, Oberyn came to take me to court. I'd never seen this man, and yet he called himself my father. My mother wept, said I was too young, and a girl. Oberyn tossed his spear at my feet and said, "Girl or boy, we fight our battles. But the gods let us choose our weapons." My father pointed to the spear, and then to my mother's tears. I made my choice long ago.
A high-born knight from the north of Westeros, down on his luck in Essos. Dragon epaulets, bare sigil breastplate. You're Jorah Mormont.
Yes, he is.
I have to ask, how exactly were you serving your queen in a whorehouse half a world away? Is it possible that you were running? Why would you be running? And why would she have sent you away? Oh, wait. You were spying on her, weren't you?
Yeah. He's so cool.
Coming back with me. I was drunk through most of the small council meetings, but you're coming back. You passed notes to Varys' little birds. She found out, didn't she? Found out and exiled you. Now you hope to win back her favor with a gift. Risky scheme. One might even say desperate.
Very
you
desperate.
think Daenerys will execute me and pardon you? I'd say the reverse is just as likely.
Oh. Oh, please don't kill Grey Worm. Oh, no, this guy is a good sword fighter, but I don't want him to die. Like, seriously, he's the best sword fighter that the world's ever seen, apparently, or something like that. He's not going to finish them all off, surely. Oh no, oh no, oh no. No! Oh, come on, please survive. Oh my god, please don't let that end. Oh my god, no, it's gonna end here, isn't it? Please. Oh my god. Please don't be the end. Oh. Oh my Jesus Christ. Jesus. Mother of Jesus. Dowliness. It's probably really offensive, I don't give a shit. Oh wow, that's just such an amazing episode with such an amazing end. I really hope Sebastian Sammy's not dead, because he's a legend. And that was epic. Thank you for watching very much, guys. I will see you in the next video. And Grey Worm as well. Oh my god, I love you all. Bye.